grave. Let's just
No,
clarify
we're
that
not
right
digging
off.
grave. We're digging walnut roots and other assorted things to accomplish our mission.
Our mission is resitting this headstone of Edward McDonald,
Which is in several pieces. And we've located the cradle, we've located the broken piece, and we've got the other broken piece against the tree.
and this is also part of which DAR are we with, ladies?
We are with Allegheny Chapter DAR and proud of it.
However, there are no Revolutionary War soldiers in this graveyard, but there are every other type of war. Most notably the Civil War. That was not stone.
But are there, well, that's a good question, April. How far back do these...
The Revolutionary Sons. So, there's the War of 1812, and then there's Civil War, several Civil War soldiers.
So you got 1812?
One of
April, let me
Edward.
take a couple. And then you take a couple more.
Okay, Edward #1.
We're getting there. How about if I go right where your left foot is?
Well, I'm thinking.